generative AI and a powerful dialogue builder, Microsoft Copilot Studio lets you create your own conversational experiences and make them available to users across more channels than ever before. The latest release of Copilot Studio is introducing multimodality capabilities to support voice and IVR solutions. This will transform your agents into a modern generative AI-powered IVR. Configuring it is as easy as creating a normal agent. Just start by giving it a name. Once you're in the overview, describe what you want the agent to do in natural language with instructions. You can then set up your knowledge sources, actions, and topics as usual. When you're done, if you want to make it voice-enabled, you can configure a rich set of voice authoring features. Enabling voice settings gives you access to capabilities such as voice authoring, speech recognition, DTMF settings, how to handle silence or latency, and how long the agent should keep listening to especially talkative people. Once you set up the voice-enabled agent, you can test it. While you're testing in speech and DTMF mode, your inputs simulate a phone call IVR interaction. You can test the user's input from speech or DTMF codes with a simulated dial pad and see the speech response in a text output. It now even supports voice agents in multiple languages. Se voglio fare una domanda in italiano a Copilot, lui capisce e risponde nella mia lingua. In addition to speech, we're now introducing new autonomous capabilities with triggers. A trigger will prompt your agent to act when a specific event occurs. For example, when a new employee is added to the system, a row creation in a Dataverse contact table would initiate a trigger for the agent to act. These triggers enable your agent to work for you without any explicit user-initiated request. All right, you now have a voice-enabled agent that can be activated either via voice or via a trigger. So let's test it before deploying it. You can test your triggers and view the agent's decisions as the triggers occur. You can view the steps and systems involved. This will give you a great understanding of why the agent chose a particular action and the context around it. This is crucial for debugging. You can also see the various runs for these new trigger types. It shows any failed runs or blockers, tracks trends, and allows you to review earlier decisions. Once testing is complete, simply deploy the agent to your preferred channel and it's ready to use. Because this agent is optimized for IVR, it can be deployed to voice-enabled channels like Dynamics 365 Customer Service or Contact Center, or your own third-party system. Agents built in Copilot Studio can be used to extend and deploy agents through other Microsoft Copilots, such as Microsoft 365 Copilot. Any agent made available from Copilot Studio to Microsoft 365 can be selected and queried by any user who has access to the agent and the knowledge sources it uses. And how do you control that? Why, with good governance, of course. No matter where you've created or deployed your agents, the Copilot Hub can track, manage, and govern them. Custom Copilots can be enabled for users across the Power Platform environments and applications. And to help monitor your agents, Copilot Hub includes analytics with recommendations and insights to allow you to identify issues and address them early on. To learn more about these and other new features being released in this upcoming release wave of Copilot Studio, check out the 2025 Wave 1 release notes.